Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your recently connected. Please wait either on WhatsApp on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue in your WhatsApp that you're recently connected, please wait. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So you have to simply open your settings and the very first you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection and you have to also make sure that the VPN is not connected. If you have any weak connection, try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular or try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings and then go for settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN here, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with the VPN, then go back, and here you have to go for the software update. Try to update your software because sometimes you can get these type issues due to your software updates, or you have to try to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Here you have to simply enter your passcode, and after that all of your network settings will be reset. If there are any issue into your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you still have the same issue, open App Store, and here you have to go for search and search for WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for WhatsApp, or if you have any pending update, try to update your WhatsApp app, and after that your issue will be almost fixed. Or if it doesn't work for you, so you just have to try to restart your phone. So make a first restart. So not do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you find Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, it will almost fix your issue, or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to go for settings again, go for general again, then go for iPhone storage, select WhatsApp, try to offload the WhatsApp app. So after uploading, you just have to reinstall the app, and after that it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, you have to open your browser and simply search for sport.whatsapp.com or search for Sport WhatsApp, WhatsApp Sport, WhatsApp Contact, or anything like that. Then open the first website, select Contact Us option, and here you have to enter your phone number, then email address, then re-enter your email address, select your device, enter your message below. You just have to describe your issue here, and after that you will get a confirmation email after almost 24 hours, and your issue will be fixed in this step. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.